Hey, boys and girls. Hope everything's going well. Today we're going to look at the Gizmo Growing Plants Lab. And on this side, I have the Gizmo pulled up. On this side, I have my Google Doc pulled up. Okay. So, directions follow the instructions to go through the simulation, respond to the questions, and prompts in the orange boxes. Okay, vocabulary: compost, fertilizer, mass, seed, soil, variable. Okay, so what do you think plants need to grow and stay healthy? Well, we've talked about this, right? Plants need soil, light. Sorry, let's back up. Plants need nutrients, usually provided in soil, nutrients, light, air, and water. Okay, to stay healthy. Soil is a combination of tiny rock fragments and decayed plant material. How do you think soil helps a plant? I'll let you answer that on your own there. Gizmo warm up. Grow the biggest plant in the gizmo. Set up the 3 pots however you like. Okay, so choose a seed to drag into each pot. So here I could drag tomato. Here, I gotta wait till there we go. Tomatoes in there. I can grab beans for there, and to go turnips here. Okay. Click on the light bulbs to turn them on or off. Okay, there's on, there's off. There's on, there's off. On, off. Okay? Drag the water slider up or down to set the amount of water each plant will get. Okay, so we can go up to here, maybe go down to here. Okay, however you want to do. Okay? Maybe go a lot here. Okay? If you like, drag fertilizer or compost into a pot. Okay? Well, let's fertilize this one. Put compost in this one. Okay. Again, you got to wait for that little hand to show up. When the pots are ready, click play and wait for the simulation to end. Okay. So, what was your tallest plant? Well, in this one, again, I want you to do it however you like, but in this one, you could do a lamp for one, maybe turn the light off on this one. Just play with it, okay? For me, the bean was the tallest one, okay? So then I would type out that, then I would click reset and clear the pots, run a few more trials to grow the tallest plants you can. What conditions led to the tallest plants? So I want you to fool with that, okay, and come up with the answer to that. All right, activity A, wet and dry. Click reset, click clear pots, form a hypothesis. Do you think seeds need water to start growing? Explain why or why not. Okay. In the gizmo, set up the 3 pots like this. So pot A, you put a bean seed. Pot B, a bean seed. So you're going to put bean seeds in all of these pots. Okay. 2 lights on for A, B, and C. Pot A, you're going to have 0 water, so you'll bring the water all the way down to 0. Here, we got to click reset. Where's reset at? There, that's reset. Okay, that's button right there. So this one, you're going to go all the way down to 0. This one, you're going to go up to 50. And this one, you're going to go at 100. Okay? Click play to start. When the simulation is done, observe the plants. So you click play to start. All right, so pot A got 0 ml. Pot B got, oops, we should have 50, right? Pot B got 50 and pot C got 100, okay? Now, it's going to give you your height, so put the height in there. It's going to give you your mass, put it in there. Then appearance, what does the plant look like, okay? Draw conclusions. Do you need water to grow? Was your hypothesis correct? Okay, yes or no, you got to answer that out. Revise and repeat. Is more water always better? Create your own experience to find the ideal amount for water of each kind of plant. Explain your findings below. Okay, clear pots again. Form a hypothesis. A variable is something that can change in an experiment, such as the amount of light. How do you think the amount of light affects how plants grow? So you're going to write that out, okay? Now, just follow the directions. Set up 3 pots with 50 ml of water per day, plain soil, and use turnip seeds. Turn the lights on over pot A, 1 light over pot B. Okay, so they're all turned off. That's turned off. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3 lights. Okay, it's 2 lights, 3, that's 1. They're all off. Okay, so that's how you do that. So number of lights. So pot A gets 3, pot B gets 1, and pot 3 gets 0. So that's what you're going to write there. Then you're going to click play on the simulation. After 30 simulated days, click pause. What's up? Then you're going to record the information in your data chart. Okay, so what is the height and mass, and what is the appearance of the plants? Okay. Select on the data tab, look at the graphs of the plant height. So the data tab is right here. You'll click on that. How did the amount of light affect the amount of growth of the plants? Okay. Think and discuss, click play, and let the simulation continue for 50 days. Based on what you've seen so far, what do plants need to grow into healthy plants? All right. Activity C, design your own experiment. Fill in the blanks below with the variable and the type of plant you would like to study in this activity. Do not, let me repeat, do not repeat an experiment you've already done. So you cannot do light, how light affects it, and you cannot do how water affects it. Okay, look what you got left, and I think you can come up with your own experiment. How does blank affect whether you use turnip, bean, or tomato plant? Okay, then you're going to form a hypothesis. Okay, now on this, you have to keep these variables the same. Okay, this gives you a hint on what type of what you should do. Okay, where it says type of soil here. Okay, so this will be different. Think about it. Look over here. Once you got the plants and stuff, what's left to experiment with? So type of seed, you'll put, you have to make that the same. Okay, so whatever type of seed you use, turnip, bean, or tomato. So that should say, if I use tomato, you're going to have tomato all the way down through here. I'm going to use the exact same amount of water. I'm going to use the exact same amount of lights. And this is going to be different. Okay. Come down here. Record your data. So click play. Let it run out 50 days. Record your data. How tall is A? How tall is B? How tall is C? What is the mass of A, B, and C? What is the appearance? Okay. Now, what did you discover? Okay, why do you think it happened that way? Write it out, okay? So again, do not repeat the same activity. You cannot do water, you cannot do light in that last part on part C, okay? All right, boys and girls, that's all you got for today. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you again tomorrow.